Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing the next topic of software engineering, that is software quality assurance. In this, we will be discussing the term quality assurance and SEI and CM. So, firstly, we'll understand what do you mean by the term quality and assurance. So, quality is very difficult to define. It can be simply stated as fit for the use or purpose. So, quality means if you desire to perform A plus B, then the system must perform A plus B correctly rather than showing the any other irrelevant result. So, it is all about meeting the needs and expectation of customers with respect to functionality, design, reliability, durability, and price. So, here the quality will be in terms of functionality, that it should perform the function well. It should, in the terms of design, it should be relevantly designed. It should be reliable. It should be durable. Durable means it can be used for long term, and in the terms of price. Assurance is nothing but a positive declaration on a product or services which give confidence. It is certainly of a product or a service which it will work well. It provides a guarantee that the product will work without any problem and as per the expectations or the requirement. So assurance is giving you a confidence that the particular product which is being developed for your work will work as it is as required. Quality assurance is defined as an activity to ensure that an organization is providing the best possible product or services to the customer. So, the quality assurance is measured in two terms. It is measured in the terms of product and the service. Once the product is getting ready and once the product is given to the customer. Quality assurance focuses on improving the process of deliver quality products to the customer. Basically, the focus of the quality assurance is to give a good product to the customer. Any organization has to ensure that the process are efficient and effective as per the quality standards defined for the software product. The quality assurance is also known as QA testing. How to do quality assurance? So we plan, we do, we check, we act. We again plan, we again do, we again check, we again act. So this is a continuous process which is going on. So organizations should plan and establish the process related objective and determine the processes that are required to deliver a high end product. So organization has to make a plan कि आपको एक हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट कैसे देना है. We do those development and testing in the design process again and again. Then we check and then we act upon. Software quality assurance is a process which assures that all software engineering processes, methods and activities and work items are monitored and comply against the defined standards. So basically, software quality assurance is being defined, is being monitored for particular standards that a company is using. So there are combinations like ISO 9000, CMMI model, ISO 1504 and so on. Software Quality Assurance Plan. Software Quality Assurance Plan comprises of procedures, techniques and tools that are employed to make sure that a product or service align with the requirement defined in the SRS. Now this is a very important point. Software Quality Assurance Plan should be aligned with the SRS. It should not go beyond the SRS. So development, then we have the baseline system, we do the production, we do the release of to market, and again. So if you see all these four phases that are being given in this diagram, so development is research and analysis, then we are doing the prototype and design, then we are planning, we are testing, we are delivering, and we are giving the support. So the below small steps are the SRS, and the development, baseline, production, and release to market are the quality assurance. So SQA activities comprises of these 11 steps. In this, we are creating a SQA management plan. We are setting the checkpoints. We are apply software engineering techniques. Then execute formal techniques. Have a multi-testing strategy. Enforcing process adherence. Controlling change. Measure change impact. Then we do the SQA audits, we maintain the records and reports, and we then manage the good relation once the product is given to the customer. Now we have got two standards, software quality assurance standard. First is ISO 9000. So the seven principles of ISO 9000 are: it is customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, that it is going process by process, improvement, evidence-based decision making, relationship manager. So if an organization is following the ISO standard, then it must be following these seven key points should be kept in mind. Customer की requirements should be the focus. Leadership, there should be proper teams. All the people should be given the task according to their knowledge. Then process approach. The task is divided into process and sub-process. We are continuously working on the design to improve our process, evidence-based decision making, and relationship manager. Next is CMI. CMMI stands for Capability Maturity Model Integration. It can be employed to direct process improvement throughout a project department or an entire organization. It reflects changing customer requirement. So if the requirements of the customer are not fixed at one level, then we can use the CMI. So it has got CMI level 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So at the initial level, process is unpredictable, poorly controlled and reactive. Then process characteristics for project are often reactive. Then process characteristic for the organization is pro-reactive. Then process measured and controlled focus on the improvement. So the 10 essential elements are software engineering standards, technical review, software testing, error control, change management, education program, vendor management, security management, safety, risk management. The question that you will be getting from this part is, are the two questions. State the difference between CMMI levels and ISO. Also, you can get the question of CMMI individually.